Hello friends, I don't know if I'm dark enough, not enough, but if I'm dark or not, but I want to tell you what we are doing over here. So I know you've seen my videos and my pictures about some good spinach and something that we had done I think 2 years ago, and it's my profile picture even on YouTube and also on Facebook. The land is very fertile and it's good for spinach. I don't know if have you ever seen this kind of land where when you plant spinach it just thrives? Because and I think you see how big that spinach is. I will take you there, but they are huge and we've not even done much. We've just made a small piece of I think this is 1 2 3 4 small furrow just for our own consumption, but the leaves are big, they are huge. So we are preparing our land over here. So we want to put up the drip irrigation. I will show you. And this is the space that I want to have. It's kind of like an acre, not an acre, a quarter, a small acreage here, just for us to plant our vegetables. And I had this last year. I think I have videos about carrots, I have videos about spinach, we've planted onions. Then I did one season and of course things happened and I dropped that project. So I'm here again, and some of our feeds, by the way, this has been here for years, and we can even cut the splits and replant them on the other side. This is a long grass and it's very nice when it's green. The animals love it. And we are also going to cut it down because we don't have feeds right now. So this area is very rich. We have sugar cane and we've harvested bananas over here a few years, and we have the tea, the lemon herb or spice. So let me just take you around and show you what you're going to do, and then show you the spinach and what we are going to do. And before I forget, I also want to show you the type of ndania or coriander that I plant, because I feel like, and at least when we are planting over here, we will cut all this down because you don't know what's inside. And being a farmer, some things get destroyed. See, like just the pipes were down, but I think we have to replace them and all that. And maybe most of them you're not supposed to replace, but I'll let you know. But some of them are already destroyed. And let me show you where I sit when I come over to this fertile piece of space. So the idea behind, or what I'm going to do about this space, it's such a big, huge space. You see, we're coming out from this space will be covered by, oh Lord, I think I forgot my tripod again. So now my hand is almost questioning why I didn't carry a tripod. But this space, we will fill it with the crops or the vegetables that I love. Sukuma wiki, spinach, ndania, onions, cucumber, okra. I love okra. Eggplant, carrots. What else? Have I left something that I like? Beetroot. Yes. So this is the space for all that. And in future we'll put like D8s, the D8s metal. We'll put them like here. And in future when it's hot like this, I will have like a good cover so that the crops do not have like shade, just to make sure that we have some little shade. Then this area, we are going to have lemon. So we will plant about 100 trees of lemon before the rains, before December rains. We will put up lemon. This area we normally plant maize or corn, and we harvested them the other day. And we also had beans. and I think even some of them were not. So we have this kind of beans. Actually, it's not beans. We call them jahe. I don't know what we call them from your language, but it has like the small, tiny black beans. Yeah, so we planted this. They did very well, actually, over there. And where I'm saying about lemon is because we have this big lemon, this one. It's been here for a while, and sometimes it fruits, sometimes we leave it, we've not even given it water, and that's why sometimes it's not producing. So I need to make sure that we have good manure, so that, and good irrigation, because you see, I think it's struggling. The leaves are curly, and it has small onions, but it's because we've not given it water, and it's because I've not been keen enough. So I need to be keen enough to make sure that such things don't happen. And so that's the area that we're going to put up. So let me just take you near the spinach. You see the kind of leaves that we have, and then you tell me if this is a good idea or not. And when I'm on this side of the land, the only place that I don't sit, I think it's at the middle. When I'm here, I'm sure you've seen videos with this tree. When I'm here, I sit under this tree. I will bring in some few chairs and a table, because it will be one of my working spaces, because we're not expecting rain anytime soon anyway. So a wooden table or a metallic table, or even a plastic table that can be put in the store, will be ideal for me. And some chairs, some traditional chairs. So this is where I sit when I'm on this space. And when I plant the things that I want to plant, it will be such a beautiful space and such a beautiful area to just come and sit and meditate. And this is another lemon, so I think it's lacking water. Lacking water, then the July coldness, and of course it has not been sprayed for a while. I can see it even have aphids or something. I don't know. Anyway, so some of these things that you do as a farmer. So this is already destroyed, because I guess I don't think I'll have an opportunity to get something that can close this. So this may not be destroyed that much. Let's see. But sometimes as a farmer you have to buy things, replace. I think this is okay, but this is not. You have to buy and replace. This is broken, and they are getting it from that tap, and that tap is going to the tank. So this is the tank that we are going to use to irrigate this area, and we'll get water from the borehole. You can see that maybe that, I don't see, I think these other ones are okay. I don't know where I'm supposed to buy for, but we'll see. Yeah, and this is broken. This piece is broken from here. So that's why. And so this is how the furrows will look like. We will have 2 drips running across, and then we are going to intercrop everything, and everything will fit under this small space over there. Let me show you how the sukuma wiki is doing. So today I'm going to harvest some sukuma wiki just for my own feeding. Huh? You see how big this is? This is huge. Look at that sukuma wiki. It's huge and very healthy. It's green, it's pest free, it's healthy. So we are going to do some harvesting today for my kitchen, and right there we are making our beds to plant the things that I've brought. And this is the irrigation, like how we use our irrigation over here. See, everything is wet. So from the tank, and this is a very nice tree, by the way. We should have more of this, me and trees. My mom tells me I'll fill the farm with trees. It's because this area is so dry, you just want to plant as many as you can just to see if the rain will come. And that's the tank that we have. And it's even dripping. I think it has some issues. There's some water coming in. So we need to check the connections. Okay. Thank you guys for being here. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe. Wow, and that's like a good space to sit over that tree. Yeah. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in my next videos. Bye for now. And the corn that we removed from the farm is what the cows are eating over here, which is amazing. So they have come from grazing and they're able to just feed on the corn at this time. And I was wondering how we are going to expand, and I think I've seen a way of how we are going to expand our goat structure. But yeah, so the cows are having like a good feast over there, grazing, and the goats are enjoying the nice shade over here, which is good. And this is the goat manure, by the way. Lots and lots and lots of goat manure. Lots. So that would be taken to the farm. They are really enjoying. So we just need to bring in a feeder over here, a feeder, a water point for the goats.